aquarium water clear, first check that it's not the glass that is dirty. If it is, in fact, the water that is cloudy, if it is a milky white cloudy, it is a bacterial bloom. You can resolve this by increasing aeration, check for uneaten food or dead fish, or test for ammonia, as these will all cause bacteria to reproduce and cloud the water. If it is green cloudy water, like a pea soup water, it's an algae bloom. Both of these cloudy water situations can be resolved by adding a UV sterilizer to the tank. You can also add a clarifier, a liquid flocculant, which will bind the particles together and allow the filter to pick it up easy.